We're going back home today, Singapore to Seattle. We're gonna ride Singapore Airlines business class. And I've always wanted to know what their lounge is like because I heard it's pretty epic. So we're gonna experience the lounge, get some food, go on the plane, finally go home. Silver Crest Lounge. Oh, that's a legit bar. Too bad it's the morning. I would totally enjoy that. Okay, but if you wanted to, yeah, you could right now. So I want to say it's 7 a.m. in the morning, and we've got a 14-hour flight, so we're gonna get plenty of food, but explore what they got here. Okay, that's the cutest little salad bar. Got the lettuce, carrots, we got some kind of soy dressing, and then tomatoes, trying to stay healthy. I think these are some Singaporean mochi cakes? I don't know. Sari Kaya. Okay, look at this. I've never seen all these kind of sandwiches available. And got some fruit, fresh fruit, which I'm for because I need something healthy in my life. Oh my gosh, this watermelon actually looks hella legit. I'm gonna take a bunch of this. Down below, there's tomato juice, orange juice, apple juice. Is that club soda? I don't know. Isotonic drink. The rest of the lounge is exposed to the terminal. Pretty nice in here. I bet during the day, nice and bright. Watermelon. After eating, drinking, all kinds of deliciousness for literally a whole week straight, I need this so bad. All right, continuing the food tour. 2 kinds of yogurt, plain yogurt, peach and mango yogurt, some dried fruit, which sounds really good. I might try that, especially the plain yogurt. Wow, dumplings at the airport. Oh yeah, okay, that sounds hella good. Get that later. And what is this? Oh my gosh, dim sum. Legit. This is called Ota sandwiches. Looks like spam. Fancy spam on toast. Some chicken ball with mushroom sauce. Corn on the cob. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Legit looking scrambled eggs. Butternut pumpkin. Wow, a lot of healthy options. Broccoli, fried spring rolls. But yeah, rice porridge, really popular, especially in Southeast Asia, China. In fact, every Asian country has this, lots of toppings. I hella need some good fermented food, some probiotics, so I'm gonna go for the yogurt. Dried fruit. I'm kind of used to having honey. I don't see no honey here though. This will be the first time I'm eating plain yogurt, literally just like this, but maybe the dried fruit is enough. You know what though, I did find this jam, some marmalade. Marmalade's not really that popular in America, which I'm surprised because it's so good. Bread. Oh shoot, some croissants up here too. Muffins. I did end up putting some fruit water. I did end up finding some honey, but marmalade's fine. Yogurt with dried fruit and marmalade. So far the food looks amazing. I'm really not that hungry, but the one thing I kind of want to try is your egg salad sandwich, so maybe I'll get that. This is hella good. Okay, for the drinks, got lots of beer. I think that's a Korean beer. Cass. This is a Singaporean beer, I believe. Tiger, or at least that's what they've had everywhere we went. What kinds of sodas? It's too early for this, but man, I'm so tempted. This is a beer machine. I've showed you guys in the past when I went to Asiana Airlines. I don't know, it was in Korea. These machines are really cool. They pour beer automatically. They have this fridge right next to it so that your glass is chilled, but it tilts. Man, I kind of want to show you this because it's really cool. I'm gonna get coffee though. I like using these smaller cups. I think they call these super automated machines. This is what I like to do though. Espresso 2X. Baby. Hot milk. Let the milk start. See all that? That first part was just water. Now you put the cup in there. Usually it foams up at the end, but let's see if it does. Oh yeah. Oh, that was legit just hot milk, no foam. Got some dumplings. Added some soy sauce and green onions, and I found something very interesting. This looks like regular old ketchup. Heinz, tiny compared to America's size. This looks just like it, except when you look closer, chili sauce. Ingredients are red chili, tomato paste, vinegar, and thickener. Onion powder from Malaysia. When I say from Malaysia, it was just made there. I don't know if it's Malaysian or not, but this is the first time I've ever seen this. I have no idea what to expect. Oh, it's like sweet chili sauce. Okay. I was hoping for it to just be straight hot sauce, but yeah, I'm sure it's still gonna be delicious. Shumai.
When I say sweet chili sauce, it's sweet, but not that sweet. I just was expecting it to just be some kind of hot sauce. Am I at Din Tai Fung? By the way, speaking of Din Tai Fung, across the way is first class. They have a whole different lounge, and it looks like a Din Tai Fung over there. I'm sure it's better food. I'm grateful for this food because it's good, but over there, it's popping. Maybe one day. One day.
That is so cool. Wait for it. Oh, I think that's it. Anyways, there you go. I'm gonna sleep on the plane anyways. Cheers. Really? I walked over here just being curious, and this is actually more business class. Okay, all this I thought was first class, but no, we get this too. Chocolate cake, zucchini banana bread, muffins. What? More bread selection. Okay, okay. A freaking noodle stand. I've been missing out here. Judy said that this was all first class. Kind of funny. Not that we would eat very much right now anyways, but I stand corrected. This is more business class. Good eats. Okay, some shopao or yamba. Yam pao, so that yam was in that one. Some green bean soup. This is what I'm here for. This is some legit champagne. Really nice view here. Oh my gosh, shopao. That looks hella good. Sitting here. Oh, like some kind of rice. More rice. Oh, saw that over there. This is what Judy's missing out. Indian food. I think this is Indian food. I mean, definitely looks hella good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, see? I would have put these peppers on my dumplings if I knew. In all of my years of traveling, I've never seen this. This is probably the coolest part of the whole lounge. An ice cream freezer, Madagascar vanilla, yuzu sorbet, chocolate milk ice cream with chocolate chunk. Okay, what? An ice cream bar. That's legit. We're in the air. It's a 14-hour flight. There's 3 meal services. Actually kind of full, but you know, I gotta try all the food. So this is, I think, the pork loin, which they said they ran out of. I guess the lady was able to get it for me. Pork loin, sun-dried tomato sauce. Looks like more sun-dried tomatoes. What is this? Potatoes? No, apples. Got a little wine pairing. Let's try this out finally. Normally get whatever the local cuisine would be. I've been eating Singaporean food for the last week, so I thought try the Western menu. Wow, try some of this apple. It's like baked apple or something. I wouldn't be surprised if they sous vide this pork. Very flavorful, perfectly salted. I wonder if this is the appetizer. It might be at the appetizer. A little red wine. These menus are really thick. Oh, tripping. This is the grilled chicken salad with roasted apples. I should have known. I was thinking, got a different flavor. Almond romesco sauce and sun-dried tomatoes. 10 out of 10. So they just came by and offered some bread. This is olive and cheese bread with a cute little bottle of olive oil. So lunch is Gayeng Om Nue, northeastern Thai-style dry beef curry, seasonal vegetables, and steamed rice. Smells good. In fact, that's all you can smell. Definitely lots of spices. Curry makes sense Thai style. Look at these peppers. Just love spicy curry. I wonder if the coconut's in the rice.
Alright, saute on the plane. I was not expecting this. This is a second meal service, and this is the appetizer. When I was in Singapore, I ate satay a couple of times, and man, stuff is really good. You know what? The way I describe this is Filipino barbecue. You know, the marinated pork, obviously on a skewer, but with way more spices, and I think this is pork. But it's sweet, curried, but like Filipino barbecue, lots of flavor. And I'm not sure what this other stuff is. Maybe peanut sauce? I think that was unusual, is they serve a lot of their food with raw onion like this. I love it. I slept for about 2 hours. This is a 14-hour flight. They serve you right away for lunch. And then I think it's been about 6 hours, 7 hours since we took off. So you get your second meal halfway through, and then I'm guessing the other meal comes closer to when we land. Satay is legit. Thank you.
This is the crab meat with the omelette, yes?
Don't even know what this is. Crab salad. Interesting. You know what else is popular in Singapore? Sweet omelet, tamago yaki. They have this at sushi restaurants typically, but they serve it for breakfast in Singapore. Oh, and Japanese pickles too. All served on a bed of cabbage. Right, for dinner, you've got braised egg noodle, which you can see underneath, with char siu and pork dumpling. That being the char siu pork dumpling. Not sure what vegetable that is. Peppers on there, mushrooms. I've never really had char siu noodle dish like this. Usually char siu have with ramen. Flavorful, slightly sweet char siu. Really good. Love these chili peppers. I would totally eat way more of those if they served them. You know what else was quite common while in Singapore? This serranos, pickled peppers, dumplings. This is the first time I had dumplings on a plane. Whatever this green is. Still has a lot of crunch and bite to it. I'm not sure if it's Singaporean, but this is tiger beer, which I saw at all the bars in Singapore. It's so good with this type of food.
It's very
Caviar potato chips, truffle potato chips, champagne.
Good flight. Singapore Airlines, Singapore Airport, the lounge, the flight. Amazing. Honey, how'd you like the food?
It's really good. Everything was great.
Very gourmet.